Welcome to iShowU V6, the latest video capture application from Shiny White Box. Now, with V6's new ability to capture only specific applications, you can make high-quality recordings of Zoom or Teams sessions, including all of the audio, but without any other windows or apps being recorded. Maybe you just want an area of the screen, for example, to create a high-quality recording of a live broadcast for offline viewing later. Or perhaps you're recording game footage, full screen. V6 can do that too, in 4K, 60 frames a second with minimal performance impact. V6 supports phone-oriented workspaces, making capture of media for social platforms easy. It's simple to recapture existing footage or record directly from your own connected iOS devices. Layer-based editing allows you to add your own art and logos to personalize your content. You can use AI background removal to make your tutorials look more professional. The built-in masking lets you set up great-looking camera shots directly from within the app. Choose from a set of built-in masks or import your own. The new iShowU makes it easy to combine all of these features. For example, it's no trouble to create footage of a desktop sketch using your phone's desk camera, include a custom front camera, and then also the screen. Whether your needs are simple or more advanced, we've got you covered. V6 includes both a simple and pro user interface, and you can switch between them at any time.